I'm actually going to a place called the Suds. It's just where they have a lot of, normally it's older guys with muscle cars and stuff, and they try to show their cars and blah, blah, blah. And we're gonna go see if there's anything out. If not, then I don't know. I'm sorry if that part isn't in there. I'm with my cousin Vince, he's in the Camaro, which I just showed you at the beginning of the video. He actually just drove by. I just did a hell of a fucking launch pull getting on the highway just now, and I forgot that the camera was off. God, that sucks. I pulled so hard. But tonight we're going out. We're gonna do a cruise. We just washed our cars and stuff and see what tonight has to bring us. So hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully something happens tonight. Hopefully there's a bunch of cars and stuff out. And yeah, let's go. Yeah, you think that you got deep dish wheels? You ain't got nothing compared to this. Look at this shit. It's like 1.5 the size of my hands. That's crazy.
Look at the exhaust too.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Oh, you can actually look up underneath it?
Yeah.
And you can, look how perfect that is.
Spotless.
Wow.
Is there one at the back too?
No, but look at the size of these tires. Alrighty guys, those are some pretty nice cars, weren't they? I mean, like some muscle cars, some big tires too, some imports. See the Ferrari? That was pretty dope, wasn't it? We're actually just pretty hungry, so me and my cousin Vince, he's actually right in front of me in his Camaro, and we're gonna go to B-Dubs and get something to eat. Hopefully the next time that you guys see me, I'm actually gonna be around maybe more imports and maybe STIs, whatever. We're gonna go cruising tonight and hopefully something cool happens, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. Oh, and what you think about my last video where I got some good news? Definitely all you guys commented to get new wheels, and I got new wheels. So I'm definitely very excited about that. I've been repping the stock wheels for, I guess I've had the car for about 7 months now. So I'm definitely ready for some new wheels, a new look to the car. So big thumbs up for that. We're about to go into B-dubs right now and get something to eat. We're hungry and then ready to start the night. So hopefully the night brings good luck. I think that you got a deep dish. That other one, when we went to the Suds, I was saying it was like a hand deep.
Yeah, look at that.
This shit's fucking 2 hands deep. It's so dark, you can't really even see it. You can't.
About a hand and a half.
2J.
Us out of there all the time.
Yeah.
But now, that was. You got the super style exhaust.
That's why he has Super on the back of it. Sucks, it's so dark I can't get anything right now.
You want me to put a light on it? Got a light.
There you go. That works good. Alrighty guys, there you go. Another great night, another night cruise. I know a lot of the shots that I got on this video were like some of the sun kind of glared on the lens and it kind of messed up the view a little bit, but we actually met up with the guy that was, you probably have already seen the video if you type in 2JZ swap Genesis. We actually met up with him. He's actually from Indiana also, and God, that car is so sexy. And hopefully we can meet up. If Nate, if you actually are watching this video right now, we actually should meet up really soon. Hopefully we can arrange something. But that guy, he was a really cool guy. Awesome build on that car, something that I would love to have. But if you guys like that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And like always, make sure to always keep it random. Peace out, guys. Take it easy.